24th of May was responsible for one of the most intense light scenes I've ever witnessed. Storms had begun forming in the early morning hours in Kansas, so we intercepted the first multicell some 30 miles east of Wichita. While the storms displayed some rather unusual cloud structures below its base, we decided to abandon it in order to rush southwards, where a line of severe warned storms was closing in from Oklahoma. "75 miles further south, we arrived just in time to position in front of an embedded HP supercell. It came rushing towards us with heavy rotation and brutal gust front formations. With no escape road, we eventually had to stop and face the storm. But we got lucky as it just began to restructure, hence remained weaker as it hit. We decided to head further south, where another mesoscale system was forming, and intercepted the next embedded supercell that was rotating heavily. Decided to blast through the flank of the storm right to the backside, and it proved to be one of the best decisions of the whole trip. As the sharp edge of the storm cluster revealed the setting sun, the sky began lighting up in the most intense colors imaginable. Being on the backside of a huge storm cluster like this can have many advantages from a photographer's perspective. It is often the site for incredible light alongside crazy lightning, and on this day everything came together to form an extraordinary display of nature.
Kann das eigentlich noch besser aussehen?
Bursts of massive crawler lightning erratically lit up the sky, while the light of the setting sun slowly faded away. The storm had been moving away for quite a while, but lightning still remained sporadically visible. Once more, darkness enshrouded Tornado Alley.